Hello, good morning, student. How are you? Okay, so firstly, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Dharmen Tiwari. I have done BTech, MTech from one of the reputed college in India, and I teaching mathematics from last 6 years. And I teach more than 7,000 students, and I 3 times get qualified, which is among top 3 exam in India. So, which topic you want to study? Okay, so we'll start with basic form of a straight line, which is basically 4 type, or basically you can say 5 type. So first we'll start with first form of a straight line, which is slope intercept form. What is that? As the name suggests, slope intercept form. First form of the line, straight line, slope intercept form. As the name suggests, this equation has a slope and some intercept either on x-axis or on y-axis depending on the situation. So it will be y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a line in slope intercept form, where m is called the slope of the line and c is the intercept of the line. Suppose if we draw this line, then we get the clarity of the line, about the line. Okay, so let's say we make a system. We first put x and y, and we first put in the given equation, we first put x equal to 0. So in this equation, if we put x is equal to 0, we get y equal to c. Now at the same time, if we put y is equal to 0, so put here y equal to 0, it will be x is equal to minus of c by m. Minus of c by m. So it will be minus of c by m. And if we plot these points on the coordinate axis, so here it is x value 0, y value c. x0 means it is on y-axis, so means 0 comma c. Here y0 and x is minus c by m means it is on x-axis because y value is 0. So put it will be minus c by m comma 0. Now if we join these 2 points, we get the line, and that is the equation of line, which is y equal to mx plus c, where this portion is called the intercept of the line, and the angle made by the line from the x-axis is called inclination, and if we take tan theta, that is nothing but ME, that is slope of the line. Correct? So this is the first form of a line. Is there any doubt in this concept? Yes. Okay. So we move for the next form of a line, which is second form, which is point slope form. Point slope form. As the name suggests, one point is given and slope of the line is given. One point is given and slope of the line given. Then how we find the equation of that line? Suppose this is the line and the slope of the line is given m. And this line is passing through the point x1, comma y1. Correct? So in order to find out the slope of this line, we consider any point on this line. Let's say this is x, comma y. And if 2 point is given, how we find the slope of that line? How we find? Very simple. If 2 point given, then slope is nothing but y minus. Suppose these 2 point, suppose 2 point given, say this is a line. Say this point x1, comma y1, and say this point is x2, comma y2. So how we find the slope? It is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If 2 point given, then we can find the slope using this formula. So here 2 points given, x comma y and x1 y1. So how we find the slope? Slope y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. And which is given how much? It is given nothing but m only. See, it is given m. So it is equal to m only. So if we rearrange the terms, we got y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x. That is the equation of line. when point is given and slope is given. And this is one of the important form of a line. So whenever you are going to write the equation of line, you need only two things. The equation of to write the equation of line, you need only two things. You need a point and you need a slope. If you have a point and you have a slope, you can easily write the equation. What is that? Y minus y1 slope times x minus x1. That is the second form. Is there any doubt in this concept? Okay, so we move for the next concept, which is 2-point form. 2-point form, which is 2-point form of a line. Now, 2-point form means basically 2 points are given. Let this coordinate is x1 comma y1, and let that coordinate is x2 comma y2. So if 2 points are given, how we find the slope? Very simple. As in the previous concept, the slope will be y minus y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is nothing but the slope of the line. And as we know, if line is passing through 1 point or 2 point, we can easily write the equation. What is that equation? Last only. What is the last concept? Which is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. And now, what is slope for this case? This is the slope. So you just put the value of m over here. So it will be y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole bracket and then x minus x1. This is 2-point form of the line. Correct? Is there any doubt in this concept? Please, if you have any doubt, please you can ask. Okay. So we'll discuss the next concept, which is intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line. So before going to discuss this form, firstly, I will explain about the intercept. What is intercept? Suppose any line, this line, correct? And this portion, the distance from the origin till where it cut x-axis is called x-intercept. And same for the y-intercept. The distance from origin to that point is called y-intercept. And suppose, since at this point on y-axis, x values will be 0, and let this coordinate will be 0 comma b, and let this coordinate is a comma 0, because on x-axis y value is 0 and on y-axis x value will be 0, correct? So how we write the equation of this line then? It is very simple. X upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. This is the equation of line in interceptor form, correct? For example, if we take one example for this concept, intercept form, suppose we take a line which cut the intercept length of 5 unit, then the coordinate of this point is 5 comma 0, and let the y-intercept is 4 unit. So that means it is 0 comma 4. So how we write the equation? Very easy. The formula is x upon x-intercept. X-intercept is how much? 5. Plus y upon y-intercept. What is y-intercept? It is 4 and is equal to 1. X upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. That is the equation of line in intercept form. If we rearrange the term, taking LCM, it will be 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. That is the equation of. Correct? Any doubt in this concept? Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can please ask. Without any hesitation, you can ask. Please, if you have. Okay. If you don't have, I will ask. So can you explain what is slope and point form of a line? Slope point form. Okay. Okay. Correct. 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 Okay. So how's the class? Please tell me. How's the class? Is it good? Okay. Thank you. Okay. 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 So can we end this session? Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.